Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make ginger fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I was looking at fudge recipes a few days ago, because you know how much I love making fudge, when I happened upon the website GN Can Cook and a recipe for ginger fudge. I was immediately intrigued, as I'd never even imagined such a thing. Of course, it went right to the top of my to-do list, and here we are. It's super simple, with only 4 ingredients, but there is a lot of stirring, so you'll get a bit of an arm workout. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own ginger fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. I'm also using a 6x6 pan. If you'd rather use an 8x8, just double the ingredients. Some parchment, a saucepan, a spatula, a thermometer, and a stand mixer. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan. In a saucepan over low heat, add the milk, sugar, and butter. Stir constantly until it starts to simmer, then add the ginger, turn the heat up to medium-low, and continue stirring. When the temperature reaches 225 degrees Fahrenheit, turn the heat up to medium and, you guessed it, continue stirring. I'm stirring constantly and raising the temperature gradually so I don't scorch the milk. Once the temperature reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl and mix it on medium using the paddle attachment. If you really want to experience the old-fashioned fudge experience, feel free to beat this by hand, but I'm going to use my new mixer. Continue mixing until it thickens to the consistency you see here. Transfer it to a lined baking pan and smooth it into an even layer. Leave it on the counter to set, then cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Well, this just rings a whole different set of bells. I've never had anything like it. The texture is creamy with just a little bit of crumble. It's sweet, but not too sweet. The ginger is definitely the star of the show, but it's not super in your face. A little milder than a ginger snap, but with a fresher flavor. If you're looking for a fudge with a completely different take, you really ought to try these. When I happened to pop the